Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel and you are watching the show Musings with Software Engineers. Kishore Shiva, hi Kishore Shiva. Sir, I'm a second year computer science student and middle level college and not an IIT, NIT. I don't know why you all are worried about all these mid tier, two tier, three tier. Don't worry about that. Okay, that is all in your minds. Once you come out, people are not even after your first job, people are not even going to ask you what college did you go. Nobody looks at the college and calls you for an interview. No way. Okay, people will look at what projects you have done, what programming languages you know, and whether, depending on your project, they will make out that okay, this person we need so that we can do. So your project is very important. The programming languages that you know is very important. If you do some extra certifications, that is very important. Your college is fine. Don't worry too much about your college. Okay, currently my skills are mean stack basics, Oracle SQL, PLSQL, core Java programming, Android development, Python. Kishore, you know everything, man. Okay, you know everything. See, you will get a job in one of these things. Either you will get a job in Python, or you will get a job in Java, or you will get a job in mean or MERN stack. Okay, database will depend. Some companies will use Oracle SQL, some companies will use Microsoft SQL. Not very different, right? Oracle and Microsoft SQL are not very different, please understand that. Some companies will use MySQL, some companies will MongoDB, does not matter. Okay, so you know a lot of things, Kishore. Python will machine learning and also have enough coding skills to crack the interview of companies like Cognizant, Infosys, etc. Sir, my question are, am I good enough currently to make into product base? Yeah, you are good enough to make into product base. See, as I told you that for product based companies, one core programming language, like let's say Java, okay, you first focus on what kind of product based companies you want to work for. For example, if you want to work for Microsoft, then you'll have to learn Microsoft technology stack. If you want to learn for Facebook, now Facebook programming, everything happens. I don't know currently what it is, but Facebook started with PHP as their main programming language. So then you have to know PHP and those kind of programming language. Google is all about Java, okay, and everything about Google is Java and tools on Java technology. So you have to decide which kind of a product company you want to join, and then you focus on that one programming language. In that programming language, master the particular programming language, master data structures in that particular programming language, and master design patterns. Design patterns is a very important part of any product company, because to quickly learn all these Django, React, Angular, Java framework, these all frameworks are based on design patterns. Okay, they are built upon design patterns. They help in rapid application development. But you need to know one really good thing, and if you're confident about cracking any interview, uh, which is good, you don't have to worry at all. Okay, but one thing, please remember that attitude plays a lot of important part. If you know a lot of things, then I would suggest that don't show off in your interviews. That will be a no. Don't show off in your interviews that, oh, I know this, I know this, I know this. That will be like, uh, because look at the person who is sitting in front of you. Okay, you have to make him your boss so that he can hire you. Okay, you have to understand that. And that's the way the world works. That's the way the world works. I've seen a lot of software engineers who know a lot, but the when the people interview them, the one thing that comes in between is the attitude, and attitude is the number one thing you need to understand. Okay, you have to leave your student attitude and become a professional. You have to become a professional attitude person. Kishore Shiva, company at final. Also, please tell me the ways to get internship on good companies in my next year. Also, the ways to get at product based companies as a computer science engineer, student, fresher. See, you should you should focus on building connections. Okay, focus on building connections. Just today on my community page, on the YouTube community page, I shared one link on a 5-day workshop of LinkedIn, where that particular author. So I did this course recently and I found it really good. I think that my audience should also do this course. It's less than 500 rupees course, but it helps you how to build connections uh, on LinkedIn, and it is very good for freshers like you who can build some deep connections, so that when you come out of college, you have few people in your network where you can approach and you can say, "Sir, my internship is starting. Is there an opportunity to start?" But before that, you should have a connection. You should have actually talked to that person 2 or 3 times. That person should remember you. You know that is the way to do it. Okay, but I think these questions, let them come and then you start finding an answer, because you're trying to find answer for something which has not yet happened, which is very difficult to answer. Okay, so when your this internship starts, you will start getting an idea. Your professors will help you. They will have certain things, certain companies that will visit you. You can yourself start searching and you can see if there are any internship opportunities. A lot of startups have internship opportunities. You can go and work for startups. So that will happen when it comes up. So wait for that. Thank you very much. Live starts every Thursday 9 5 p.m. Make sure you check out my program A Players. You can enroll into A Players. It will help. For experienced people, this is a must if you want to grow within your company. Next time, certainly I will take up your questions. Thank you very much.